What's up, y'all? I'm back. New vlog, same day. Hopefully you've seen the video before this. What was I doing? So I put my hair up because I was cleaning, and what I said I was gonna do, color my hair. All right, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Brannygiz, and for those of you all who are new, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy your stay. So right now, it's really not time to wash the hair, but I do want to just lighten it up just a little bit. So hopefully I can lighten up my hair. I need to find a red silk comb. This desk that I have right here, I got from IKEA. I don't know the name of the desk, but it's like the one with the board on top, and then you fit it on. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Y'all don't look at my desk. It's kind of raggedy, but the one where you have these drawers. Well, this drawer then came off track. I don't know what the world, but I just feel like it's just too much. I just need something like a really small desk. I can put like my mirror on there and this little chair. I don't need so what I'm gonna do is try to downsize. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm thinking about downsizing. I do love my IKEA drawer. I don't know what you call it, but it's like a mom or something. Is it called a mom? Girl, I don't know. But I say that to say this, I don't like when stuff breaks. When it breaks, I'm ready to get something new. Okay, so now I need to take these earrings off. Part my hair. I need to see. Hold on, y'all. So what I do is I just part it so that I do half blonde and the rest I'm not going to color, which is the back, because it has like a reddish color on there. Girl, I need my right tail comb because this comb ain't working. Let's get started. So you have the developer, the conditioner, this is the hair lightener, you have like your booster, which is to lift it, and your instructions with some gloves. And you just shake it up really good. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna get my laptop, because you know I like to kill super. I like to watch YouTube. I need to charge it. I need to watch YouTube. I noticed with this laptop versus the older one that I had, it stays charged long. And I like the fact that you can use your finger to, you don't have to type in your code. You can use your finger, your thumb, your fingerprint rather. So now I get a chance to watch some YouTube. I'll be behind on YouTube because I'll be having so much to do. Let's watch. I watched The Word earlier, so I'm going to watch. Let's watch Justine. It's Justine's World. All right. So right now I'm going to put this thing on mute, play some music, and you can just watch me. Look at that. You can watch me color my hair, girl. Yeah, and I come back to you guys once I wash out my hair. I'm going to wash it out probably about 4 or 5 times. Make sure I get all of this stuff out of it. And I'm going to deep condition it really good. I'm going to sit under this dryer. Let me show you how good. I know y'all seen this hoodie dryer plenty of times. This one right here, the iron, I'm going to sit under that for about 20 minutes. With some deep conditioner, and then I'm going to rinse it out, dry it, flat iron it, and I'll come back. So I'll probably come back from time to time just to show you what I'm doing. Okay, let me go. Alright y'all, so it has lifted a good amount, lighter, and I'm gonna go wash this out my head. Alright girls, so now I'm going to put the Design Essential Almond Butter. And it has a real light smell. Take this Diva Curl towel. Yeah, it lightened up, so I'm going to put and then for the smell, I'm going to do the Silk Therapy. So I can have that fresh, clean smell. Alright y'all, so I just finished rinsing my hair out of the conditioner. And I'm gonna put this back. And okay, now my hair dries very fast, so I'm gonna go in with the extreme play. 3 pumps all over the hair. I'm gonna go in with the Silk Therapy leave-in. So I just heated this hot and spicy. Let me see how this mix it all over. Ah! Mix it all over. Looks like that. And then it says add this chili. This don't even look good. The chili sauce. I don't know. Oh, where's my scissors? Okay. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Not a lot. But this is how. Y'all seen noodles before. They're good, but these are better than the ones I had before. I can tell you that much. I don't know what I had. Then I have my, I think it's mango drink for immunity. Okay. Hey y'all, so your girl is back, finished blow drying, flat ironing my hair, and this is how it came out. Just a little bit lighter. I could have used some purple shampoo, but for the most part I like it. And yeah girl, so this is how it looks.